All right, this video we have some stuff I got from Amazon and, well, one thing I got from Home Depot. So let's get into it. Okay. First up, let me show you these. Everybody knows these. If you don't know what Tubbo Towels does and how good they work and all that, you're missing the boat. You need to get some. These are the best hand wipes, hand cleaner wipes on the market, in my opinion. And then I've used a bunch of them. So you ought to try you some. I ran out, finally got me some. So next up, we have some lights. You really can't see from the package what they are, but it looks like, I don't know, maybe three lights on little pods, you know, strung out on wires. To shows it in the bed of a truck, but I'm not gonna. I have lights in the bed of my truck from the factory. I'm gonna use these under the truck on the frame to kind of act as puddle lights. And when you hit the remote, you know, the door's unlocked, all the lights come on inside the cab. These lights will come on to shine down on the ground for at night. That'd be cool. Don't know when I'm going to install them, but there'll be a video on that too, right? And of course, I'm going to get everything out of the packages and show you, but bear with me. This I kind of already opened, but didn't. I don't know if you can see that. This is Tekton's wrench organizers. Now, I'm not going to lie, when I ordered them, I was in a hurry. Thought I was ordering toolbox widgets. Instead, I ordered Tekton. Kind of basically the same thing, but I don't think these have magnets, which is disappointing because I was wanting the magnet ones. But anyway, we'll see in a minute when we get it out of the package, right? Let me set it over to the side. Before we get into anything else, check this out. This is pretty cool. There's two of them. Got them off Amazon. If I think about it, I'll put these in my Amazon store under the miscellaneous stuff, I guess, so you can check. If you haven't checked out my Amazon store yet, please do. You don't have to buy anything, just go check it out. And then if you come up on my in the chats of my live stream or in one of the comments, let me know what you think about it. Or even in the comment of this video, let me know what you think about my Amazon store. And also, you could, if you want to, you can let me know if you've bought anything from my Amazon store. Now, in some of the videos, most of them, whatever I have from Amazon, like this and the wrench organizers and whatnot, and whatever else I got from Amazon, I'll have direct links to that product. So you can go directly to this instead of having to go to my Amazon store and search it. Because there's quite a bit of a tool list on there, you know, hand tools, power tools, welding, whatnot, miscellaneous. So there'll be direct links where you can go directly to the product that you want in the description of the videos. So you check that out. I've been adding some as I've been going along, some direct links. It's kind of hard when you already have almost 300 videos. Yeah, anyway, that's cool. YouTube certified mechanic. I don't know where I'm going to put them. Maybe over there. Let's see, where's it at? Over there somewhere on the sticker board. Okay, next up. Now, I know everybody hates Ryobi. This is just for the car, just to do, and the truck, you know, just to do a quick cleanup job in there. It's a little vacuum cleaner. And yes, it's the 18 volt. Next, some 18 gauge 1.5" brad nails. Now, the Ryobi came from Home Depot. I didn't get that from Amazon. Everything else, yeah, everything else came from Amazon. I mean, like you really need to see brad nails, right? Now, those are 1.5 inches. These are 2-inch, 18 gauge. These are galvanized. Those are just shiny, I guess, regular nails. Oh, no, they're galvanized too. But it says brad nails on the sticker. But if I ain't mistaken, somewhere on here it says finished nails. It does. It says 18 gauge brad nails and 2-inch finished nails. Figure that one out. Maybe they're the same. Who knows? Now you might be asking, why do you need them if you don't have the nail gun? Well, guess what? I do have it. This is a WEN nail gun. Brad nailer. Wait. Yeah, brad nailer. And I wasn't sure if it was they called it a brad nailer or a finish nailer. Now, I got this because it says it was their best seller. Maybe because of the price. I'm not sure. But when I clicked on it, it said this was often returned. That don't make sense. If it's so good, it's their best seller, why would people be returning it, right? I don't know. So, and that probably won't fit my air hose, so I got to change that out. And I'm not going to show using this or testing this. I'm not really doing anything right now or building anything to use it, but I can get a piece of wood and test it, but not in this video. The next video maybe, or you'll know. So let me get everything out of these packages and show you a little bit better. Okay, I'm not gonna unwrap these. I'm just gonna show you. Apparently this is one of the end ones. You see the light's got the peel and stick on it. 3 lights in the pod. I don't know how far apart they are, but as you can see, there's one that's connected. So I think there's 2 separate ones. I'm not going to undo them right this minute, but I think there's 2 separate strands of them. Came with some little mountain screws. I don't know why it came with that. Well, actually, there is little tiny holes. Let's see if I can get that back up there. You see that little tiny hole right there? You can actually mount it. I don't know, like if you're mounting it on plastic or wood or something, but I don't think you would use these screws to mount it on metal, especially a metal frame, right? And I don't know if the peel and stick is going to stay stuck, but we'll see. Maybe I'll put some tie straps around it or something. Hopefully there's some holes in the frame where I can go through and tie strap it up, so if this peel and stick tape gives out, then the tie straps will still hold it up, keep it from dragging the ground, right? Anyway, we'll see when I go to install it. And the reason I say it's in 2 different strands is because it came with 2 little tiny switches. Not sure if I'm going to use these or not. I want to wire it to where you hit the unlock button, like I said before, the lights inside come on and the doors unlock. And I'm not sure if the lights on the mirror, I don't know if I got puddle lights on my mirrors or not. But when the lights inside come on, these lights will come on and light up the ground. It's not going to light it up bright, you know, like daylight, but it'll help you see where you're stepping. Whatever. It'll be pretty cool. Hopefully. We'll see whenever I get to install these. That'll be a whole nother video, right? Okay, what else we got here that I opened up? Oh, the little nail gun, it did come with a thing of oil and a couple Allen wrenches. Air tool oil is all it is, I'm sure. Now, that's the lights. Oh, we had more than that. Maybe we didn't. Here is the wrench racks. And you see, there is no magnets. And I don't know if those holes is big enough for a magnet to go in there anyway. And even if they are, it would a magnet that small be strong enough to hold it still? That's yet to be seen, but people are saying that the little feet on these, if you got drawer liners, it holds them pretty good. Holds them still. They don't slide around too much. So that's good. Now, these come apart like this. It just sits on there like that. Clips in. Now there's 4 of these. Let me show you some wrenches on it and show you what it looks like. Okay, these are just my double box ratchet wrenches from Icon that I just got. So these are cool. It holds them. Holds them pretty good. And believe it or not, even on this slick surface, they don't slide around too bad. I could see that being pretty still in the on a toolbox or drawer liner rather. So when I get them in there, we'll see. Probably not going to put them in there now because there's a lot of rearranging I got to do. I don't know. Matter of fact, you guys can let me know. That's where they came from. Let me know if you think I should take the wrenches out of these big cases here that take up a whole lot of space and put them on them, and also put these on them. We'll see. Maybe I could use them up here in this drawer or somewhere. Or those have got to be on that because they lay down enough, don't hit, because the drawer ain't deep enough. Could even put them over here. I don't know. We'll see. Get rid of that big old case. There's 5 in there, so I think these hold 5 wrenches. So anyway, okay, as I was saying, I thought they held 5 wrenches. You know, when they're taken apart, they technically don't. They only hold 2. But each one, when they're together, will actually hold 3. You see what I'm saying? So I had 2 of them there. Go figure. Anyway, that's going to look pretty good, I think, when I get these in there. It also came with, you probably ain't going to be able to see it, but it came with little stickers. I don't know if you can see that or not, for the sizes. And you can stick those right here on this spot. So you can look and see what size the sizes are. Just in case you can't see the size on the wrench, right? Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. So those may or may not be used. We'll see. And I think the one I just showed you, here, I'll show you down here, because on the toolbox, for some reason, you can read them. And holding them, you can't. So, excuse the shakiness. Can you see that? There's the sizes. I think they're both, the standards are both the same. SAE sizes, that is, you know. And then both the metric goes from 6 all the way to 39. That's pretty cool. Anyway, let's go back up here. Okay, that's that. Like I said, I probably ain't gonna put these in the drawers with the wrenches and all right now because I got a lot of rearranging I got to do. Well, not rearranging, but just swapping out wrench racks, right? And as you can see, they are from Tekton. Now, I didn't get these on Tekton's website. I got them on Amazon. Should have bought them from Tekton because you get bonus points or something like that. Matter of fact, they just sent me a thing saying I have $6 I got to spend or I'm going to lose it. Anyway, here's the vacuum cleaner. Got a little adapter in it. Pretty cool, I guess. And I'll show you the different adapters that comes with it. I ain't really sure what this one is. It's just rubber. Maybe it covers up that one to keep you from damaging anything because it's rubber. And there's the long one. And there's the brush. Anyway, got a little small, what we got on there, a 2 amp hour battery. Let me see what kind of battery that is. The high performance. It says 18 volt lithium high performance Ryobi battery. Anyway. For a little handheld vacuum cleaner, it kind of sucks. No, really, it works. Get it? Sucks. Vacuum cleaner. Anyway. That's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.